In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your goat in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to customize your goat in Goat Simulator 3. You will be able to customize your goat through various different categories, and all that you have to do is join a save, so start the game, and once you load into the world, pause at any point. One of the options, if you look at the navigation bar on top of the screen, is going to be the wardrobe, usually the default one. In there, you will be able to change your goat through various different customization options. So the main categories are going to be featured. You will be able to change your goat, head, body, back, feet, fur, and horns. So you can browse through all of these different categories. Each of them will host various different items that you can equip or equip for free, and as long as you select them from here, you will see them on your goat at the right side of the screen. So you can change between these items. Some of them might give you special effects, so you can use the buttons described on the description to activate wings, lasers, and so on, and a lot of them will be customization only. So all that you have to do is choose any of the customization options from here, and you will be able to equip this gear on your goat. You can also change the fur, the goat itself, and there are plenty of combos to explore. Anytime that you see an item that has a little green lining effect, it usually means that you can press a specific button to use an action, usually R1 or the right bumper. So follow the instructions there. You will be able to unlock various different gear pieces through objectives in game, or you might be able to purchase them as DLC. And all that you have to do is open the pause menu at any point, go over to your wardrobe, and equip them. Items on your back will usually have different effects like a cannon and wings like I mentioned, while others that go on your head might have different ones. Some of them will have passive effects that you can read on the description, and all of them will actually appear on your goat, so you can look over to the preview if you want to see how they look. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your goat in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.